South Louisiana, a place of resilience and community spirit, faces the wrath of nature time and again. The aftermath of storms leaves homes and businesses in dire need of repair and restoration. Hey, South Louisiana, I'm Damien Knockum, owner of D's Construction based in Ascension Parish. When disaster strikes, we're here to help you recover fast. Here we see Damien Knockum on site with the D's Construction team, carefully assessing the damage to a roof. Every detail matters when it comes to restoring your home. We offer professional disaster estimates to get your property back on track. Need an insurance quote for repairs? We've got you covered, whether it's storm damage or emergency work. Call or text me at 225-264-3659 for fast, reliable service. Let D's Construction handle your disaster estimates with care and precision. Thank you for considering D's Construction. We take pride in our work and are committed to helping our community recover and rebuild. Proudly serving South Louisiana with the quality and service you can trust. # disaster estimates # insurance quotes # Louisiana Strong # DS Construction.